Paulie, because you know I'm really into skiing and I'm really into Kaizen foam, and I got new skis and I wanted to put them in Kaizen foam in my ski bag so they don't get all nicked up and everything stays in the right position. So I want to show you some cool techniques and some cool tools to make that happen. So I'm going to pull my skis out right now and reveal what I've got going on. So I just took 48-inch Kaizen foam, slid it down to 12 inches, and then joined it together with the edge on the bottom. And then that made me my blank that I needed. So notice how this one's pretty smooth and this one's pretty rough. Well, sometimes when you peel out these big pieces, you can get into a separate layer and it gets a little rough. So we've developed two tools that work really good. This is called the new Kaizen foam spinner. And what this does is just plastic. So just hold the drill straight up and down like a CNC, go back and forth, slice off the high spots, then vacuum up the debris. When you're done with that, then we'll take the Kaizen scraper and level it a little bit more. If you want to smooth out beyond that, you take our new Kaizen foam scraper. It's got a little zester bottom on the bottom, and you can take it in here and just drag it, and you can actually go ahead and do some nice leveling very easily. And we've made it so this undercut gets right up close to the edge after you've leveled it pretty good. Then you come in there with a putty knife, your standard putty knife, and a little heat, and watch what happens. Just take the blade, heat it up with a torch so it melts the Kaizen foam, just kind of smooths it out. Pull it down in there, and you can really get this looking pretty good and pretty uniform. Okay, time to put the skis back in. Everything goes in nice. Now the airlines will have a little bit of help protecting my skis so they don't get all beat up. Then the boots will sit right there. I'm facing this way. Ski pants. Zip that bad boy up. I've got an amazing ski carrier that I would say might be better than anybody else's because I've got Kaizen foam protecting it. We'll see you at the slopes. Wow, what amazing skiing. But Lucas saw what I was doing. He said, you got to protect those carbon fiber poles.
Paul, protect your poles.
Kaizen foam, cut it out, made a thing that goes over the top like this. And look at that. Isn't that cool? Now I'm going to put Kaizen foam ski lean.